Recording.
The pool is so freaking cold.
Okay, Kat.
I want to get in it, but it's too cold. And it makes me sad because when I dip my toe in, I'm all like, yeah. And then when I jump in, I'm all like, yeah. It's cold. And I have silly string attached to myself and dog hair attached to myself. And then when I get in the pool, it's going to go away. And then I'll be all happy, but it's going to be cold. Oh, I have nowhere else to walk. Okay. Standing ovation.
In the cold water.
What?
I said in the cold water. You should put this on YouTube. Just because it's funny. Is it that cold?
It's cold. It should be warm because the sun's like right there.
It's not that cold.
It's that cold.
It's not as cold as it was yesterday. And I think you put water on my phone.
Sorry.
And now I'm wet.
Yeah. That's what happened.
You done now?
Yep.
Okay. Goodbye.